Thanks for logging on. I'm meteorologist Sean Patrick with your most accurate forecast. I hope you had a great first weekend of fall. I know it didn't really feel like it, but I mean, it never really does when it first rolls around here in the valley, right? I mean, it's still pretty typical though for us to see temperatures in the triple digits this time of year, although they're getting pretty high today. 104 was the top temperature here in Phoenix to round out the weekend. 98 is where we should be for this time of year, just 4 degrees shy of that record. And we are actually in record territory now when it comes to the amount of triple digit days so far we've seen this year, up to 122 right there at Phoenix Sky Harbor. That puts us in the top 5, and by the end of this week we could be in the top 2 or 3. I don't think we're going to catch 1989 when we had 143 triple digit days, but still looks like this one is going to go down as one of the all-time longest days we've had here in the triple digits. But our valley planners, we heading into tomorrow, Monday, those temperatures are going to start off in the upper 70s and low 80s again by about 7 a.m. and then we're climbing up from there. We'll be right up around 100 degrees again tomorrow afternoon. A little bit more cloud cover expected as we head into your Monday. And you know, the calendar says fall, the temperatures don't, but yeah, that pollen count is starting to creep back up on us now as well. So if you are a fall allergy sufferer, you may want to have those antihistamines handy for the next few days. The ragweed, quinupod, sagebrush, those are all the big pollen makers right now, kind of stuck in that moderate range as we head into the middle of this week. We had a few of those pop-up clouds over the state today. Not much for rain. A ridge of high pressure kind of set up just off to our east, right over the Arizona-New Mexico border right now. And it's going to kind of set up here for the next couple of days. But we do have a little disturbance that'll move by to our north. That's what's going to bring us that increased cloud cover as we head into tomorrow. You're not expecting much rain on Monday. Maybe by the time we head into Tuesday afternoon, far eastern Arizona, the higher elevations there could touch off a couple of isolated showers, but that's all we're looking at here for the week ahead. Temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s for the high country early Monday morning, 43 in Flagstaff, 51 for you in Show Low. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s down the Colorado River Valley. Daytime highs there tomorrow right around 102 Lake Havasu City, 103 in Bullhead City. Only making it up into the low to mid 70s from Flagstaff up to the Grand Canyon. That's kind of where we start the day out. 76 in Laveen, 78 in Peoria, 78 in Glendale as well. Temperatures a little bit above average there, and then again tomorrow topping out right around 100 degrees for most spots. Some locations topping out in the upper 90s, like 99 in Peoria, 98 in Anthem, 95 for you in Cave Creek. We'll roll out that 7-day forecast here, show you very little day-to-day change expected for the first full week of fall. Temperatures kind of hovering between 100 and 103 through Thursday and Friday. Those are going to be a couple of the warmest days for us there at 103, where we start to see the temperature slide back down closer to 100 as we head into next weekend.